It's Rahul's first day at his new job. He feels nervous but excited. He walks into the office at 9 a.m. and sees the receptionist. "Good morning," he says politely. "Good morning. You must be Rahul," she replies. "Please go to room 12. Your manager is waiting." Rahul finds room 12 and knocks on the door. "Come in," says a man with a smile. "Hi, I'm Mr. Kapoor, your team manager. Welcome to the company." "Thank you, sir," Rahul says. "I'm happy to be here." Mr. Kapoor stands up and says, "Let me show you your desk." They walk to the open office area. There are computers, chairs, and coworkers talking quietly. "This is your seat," Mr. Kapoor says, "and this is Priya. She'll help you get started." "Hi, I'm Priya," she says. "Let me show you how to log in." Rahul smiles. "Thanks, I'm new to this system." Priya shows him the login steps. "Here's your username, and this is the password." Rahul writes it down. "Got it." They talk about work and lunch options. Priya says, "We usually eat at the cafe downstairs. Want to join us today?" "Sure, I'd like that," Rahul replies. At 1 p.m., they all go for lunch. They talk about their favorite movies and weekend plans. Rahul listens and adds, "I love comedy films. They help me relax." After lunch, Rahul feels more comfortable. The team is friendly. The work is interesting. At the end of the day, he says, "Thank you for the help, everyone." "You're welcome," says Priya. "You'll do great here." Rahul smiles. "I hope so."